Little Menti.
Hello, little mentees! Today, we will play a game. Are you guys ready? Okay. We will listen to some animal sounds and we'll try to guess what they are. And just giving you a hint, they all are the farm animals. Okay, let's try out. Let's go for our very first sound. Let's listen to it carefully. Can you guess what the animal is? Yes, you are right. It's a goat. Great job, guys. Now let's try guessing the second sound. Listen to it carefully. Can you guess this animal? That's right, it's a horse. Fantastic. Now let's go with the third sound. Can you guess this animal's name? You got it!
It's a cow. Now let's try with one more sound. Are you ready? Let's go! I think you know that already. It's a chicken. Wow, you guys did amazing this time. Okay, little mentees. Time to go. Until next time. Bye-bye.